Are you thinking about the Bendigo Ready credit card? You won't believe what makes it unique, so here's everything you need to know before applying. The Bendigo Ready credit card is designed for people looking to rebuild or establish credit. It's a secured credit card, which means your credit limit is backed by a deposit. This reduces risk for the bank and helps you build credit responsibly. One of the standout features is its low annual fee compared to other secured cards. Plus, Bendigo offers a straightforward application process without excessive requirements. You can manage your card online or through the mobile app, making it easy to track spending and payments. Interest rates are higher than standard and secured cards, so it's essential to pay off the balance monthly. Late payments or carrying a high balance can hurt your credit building efforts. The surprising truth is that secured credit cards like this don't just help build credit, they also teach responsible financial habits. By monitoring your spending, paying on time, and keeping your balance low, you're creating a strong foundation for future credit opportunities. In conclusion, the Bendigo Ready credit card is ideal for Australians looking to establish or repair credit. It's low cost, easy to manage, and provides a clear path to better credit scores if used responsibly. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to improve your financial health.